All right, last but not least is number 6 of the module 4, topic 1, review. So it says select the best answer choice to describe the property, and I think this is supposed to be then simplify and the simplified part of the expression. So we're going to figure out what the simplified part of the expression is. So we started off with 2 times the quantity of 4x plus 3 minus 4x. That is what was given to us. Nothing has been officially changed yet. Now, going below, we see question mark plus 6 minus 4x. So looking at my options for number 1, it's either going to be combined like terms, commutative property, or distributive property. So let's see what's happening. So we already talked about combining like terms. Combining like terms only happens with addition or subtraction. Okay, I don't know where the 6 came from, so we may not be adding. Because I know we definitely didn't add 2 and 4, because you cannot add a variable with a number that doesn't have a variable. Okay, so probably not combined like terms. Commutative property just means something switched. Well, this actually took off quite a bit of numbers, like all 3 of these are gone. So we ain't switching things around, because if we were still switching, most of that will still be rewritten. We wouldn't be missing 3 numbers, we only be missing 1. I mean, yeah, we wouldn't be missing 3 numbers. We would still have the other 2, we'll just be missing 1. So that means we must be doing the distributive property. Now remember, distributive property, we talked at an earlier problem. Matter of fact, number 5, where you have to give something away. You have to give a number away through multiplication. In this case, they gave away the 2 to everything inside. So that's where our 6 came from. 2 times 3 is 6. Well, that means they also did this, which is 2 times 4x, and they got a number. So they either got 6x, 8x, or 11x. I'll let you choose this one on your own. Once we get through with this one, then we come to this one. So while the 4x stayed here the minus looks like it's moved over. The 6 is moved over here. So what happened? Well, I know it's not distributive, because distributive would be to give. And the same question mark we had here with 3 terms, we still have 3 terms. So I didn't get rid of anything through distributive. Not possible. And it doesn't look like I combined like terms, because I still have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 terms. So that can't be it. So this must mean we did the commutative property. Commutative property means something is switching places. You're going from one place to another place to commute, one place to the next. So, well, if we have this and we have this, then what must this be? It has to be the 4x, because that's the only thing that had the negative with it. In this case, it was subtraction. Looking at the next one, we went from 3 terms to 2 terms. So something else changed once we went from here to here. So since I only had 3 terms left and I didn't have any parentheses, I definitely didn't do the distributive property, because to do that, I have to have parentheses and a number outside of it. Commutative property, I literally lost a term. So there was no switching. I literally had to solve something. So this is combined like terms. Well, what did I have that was alike? Well, I have an 8x and I have a 4x, and they are being subtracted from each other. Remember, combining like terms is adding or subtracting. So I need to subtract those 2 and get my final last one, which is either going to be 4x, 8x, or 6x. Once you decide which one it is, that is the end of this assignment. Turn it in, and just remember that it has to be graded by me, because except for this last one, because this one was self-grade, the other ones are fill in the blank, which means I have to look at them myself to see if you got them correct. I hope these videos are helpful. once again, you only have to choose the one that you only have to choose the video for the question that you're stuck on. Okay? So I will see y'all later. Good luck.